Welcome to my channel. My name is Hadi Aktam from Hadi Aktam Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to display an image and a video using Opencv and Python. First, you need to install Opencv in our Python. So open cmd and write this command: pip install opencv-python. It's done. In this video I am using Python, but you can use any IDE you want. Now import CV2 into your project. Import CV2. Now we need to read the image. In my project directory I have a simple image. It's this. And it's just a simple image, and I have a video too for displaying the video. First, you need to read the image using opencv.imread function. And you must here enter the file path. In this case, they are in same directory, but if they are not, you must get the path from them. Okay. Now we have the image inside this, so we just need to display it using opencv.imShow function. cv2.imShow. And you must write a window name for it. For example, I write result and our image. Now we must wait to user close the window using this function cv2.wait. Okay. Let's test it. Now we see our image display inside a window. But if you have any questions or any problems, I will answer if you share it into comments. Now let's go to create a simple script to show a video. Again, we need to import Opencv to our project using import cv2. Now we need to read the video using cv2.video capture function. So we need to write cap equals cv2.video capture. Now we need to import the path. Now we need to a loop to display our video. Now we need to display our video frame by frame. So we need to read the cap using this function success, and imt is cap dot read. Now one step left is displaying the image. Now we need to wait after one frame using cv2.waitk1 function. Now, as you can see, display our video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, share me in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.